Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here or you are not yet subscribed, please remember to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my combined channel Yuvianca and my sister's channel Angelica. Please click the notification bell icon on your screen so you can be notified every time that I upload a video. Go and follow all my social media links, and if you have not seen it or you are not on the tea, please check out my Tea Time Tuesday video that I did about my trip to Pretoria and how fun it was and crazy. It was just a wild ride. So please go and check it out as well. The link will be in the description. I can't talk today. The link will be in the description box down below, and there will be a photo in the screen right about now. As you guys can see, this is my very first prom look, or matric farewell look as we would call it in South Africa. This is a very dramatic look and I actually enjoyed the look a lot, but it took me a really long time. So if you want to see how this look is created, then just keep on watching. Okay, so first I'm going to use the Essence Stay All Day 16-hour long lasting makeup foundation, and this is in the shade. This is in the shade 15 Soft Cream. Because this is such a dramatic trick farewell or prom look, I am going for a full coverage foundation, like very full. I use this foundation in every single video, and you guys know I'm a full coverage gal. I always use this foundation. I feel this foundation works best for me, but when I'm going for a more natural look, I usually use like one pump, 1.5, because I don't like my red cheeks. You can see them through the foundation. When I go for a full coverage look like this, I usually go for like 3.5, 4 pumps, which is a lot. Next, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer HDI Definition Concealer, and this is in the shade Neutral. I also add a lot of concealer on a full coverage look. So, you know, the usual spots under the eyes, forehead, under the chin, and I also add some on the nose. Okay, concealer is applied. Now I'm just quickly gonna go like this. I got eyebrows, honey. Just did the eyebrows now. Did not apply powder. But the powder that I will be applying today, and the powder that I apply in every single video, is the Catrice Cosmetics Nude Illusion Loose Powder Translucent. I applied this all over my face, and I also applied it on my eyelid so that the concealer can be set. Now it's time for the eyes. I'm going to use multiple palettes in this makeup tutorial, so I'm using the Modern Matte palette from Beauty Treats, the Roses palette also from Beauty Treats, and then trusty old Slay for Days palette from Switch Beauty. So firstly, I am obviously going to use a transition shade, and my transition shade today, so it's going to be this brown shade. Just taking a color crease blending brush and dipping my brush into that shade. So next up, taking another brown shade and the Morphe M411 brush, I am going to take that shade, also focusing this crease area. I'm going to build that color because we want a very dark look. Next, I'm going to take the exact same brush and I'm going to dip it into the red shade and into the brown shade, but more of the red shade. Lastly, going in with a dark, but I'm starting with a little bit for now, and then we'll build it so the color is more intensified, because after you blend it, the shade is going to fade a little bit. So the eyes are done, the base of the eye. Now it's time to add the glitter. And I'm going to add the gold glitter on the top row from the Switch Beauty palette. And then I'm also going to mix that glitter with the trusty old China palette. You guys know I love my China palette. I'm just taking a tiny concealer brush, quickly gonna craft the crease. Now I'm just quickly going to apply all the steps that I did on the lid. I'm going to apply on the lower lash line, so the brown and red. Now it's time for liner, guys. Oh, cheese balls. Hopefully the liner works on the glitter because I don't think it's going to work. But I am using the Blackjack Pro Longwear Fluid Liner from MAC. The one eye is done. I'm just quickly gonna do the other eye off camera and then I'll be back with your beautiful face in a second, my darling. This was a very emotional roller coaster for me because look at this wing. This, I don't know what's going on here. I'm very sorry. This one is on fleek. This one isn't. I'm so sorry. I don't know what's happening. But in any case, my face is looking a little bit pale. So it's time for some bronzing. I'm using the Essence Sun Club bronzer. I'll use in every single video. This is a very dramatic look, so I'm applying a lot of highlighter. I'm using the Switch Beauty Glowgasm palette. Then I mix the highlighter with the Essence Light Up Your Face highlighter as well. I usually use the middle one. It's nice and shiny. I love it. And I also use that highlighter for my inner corner, so I'm just taking the Morphe M168 brush and I'm quickly just going to line that inner corner. Okay, now for lips, I'm going to apply Red Matte Lip. So I'm applying the Design Cosmetic Lip Liner, and this is in the shade Terracotta, so I'm going to apply that. I'm going to apply the Matte Flat Finish Pigment Gloss, and this is in the shade Secret. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my combined channel Yuvianca and my sister's channel Angelica as well, please. Be a part of my Sheryl community. It's a wild ride, but you know what? It's a very fun one. You'll enjoy it here in this family. Please go and check out my hashtag Makeup Monday videos on my Instagram. Please go and follow all my social media links that will be up in the screen, and I want to say thank you for watching and thank you for subscribing to my channel. My channel is slowly but surely growing and I'm so thankful. You do not understand. So if you're watching this and you are not subscribed and you feel like you want to subscribe, please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Please go and check out my Tea Time Tuesday video. The photo will be up in the screen. It's about my Pretoria trip that was sad and happy and bad and good, and it was like a roller coaster of emotions. So if you want the tea on that, please go and check that out as well. And I'll see your beautiful face back again in my next video on Sunday. And if you have enjoyed this look, let me know in the comment section down below or DM me on Instagram if you have any ideas on looks you want to see as well. I love you guys so much. Thank you for all the support, and yeah, I'll see you back again in my next video.